Hello, and welcome to the 4th episode of 3D for Everyone. Hold Shift and drag the window out to copy it. Now rotate it. Bring it into place. And hold Shift and drag it again. Position the windows so that they are stuck together. Click Mesh, click Combine. Adjust the position of the window. Click on the cube to create a new mesh. Drag it out. Scale it on the Z-axis. Now scale it on the Y-axis. This is the door. Adjust its position and scale as desired. Go into isolation mode in perspective view and in front view. Select front view. Add edge in the middle using multi-cut tool. Come out of isolation. Adjust the door and windows so that they match each other. Go back into isolation. Click on multi-cut tool and make a vertical edge. Now there should be 4 faces in front view. Select each face one at a time and scale while holding Shift. Now select 2 edges each time and scale. This will keep the edges in proportion. Select these 4 faces. While holding Shift, drag the faces inward on the Z-axis. This will give the door some depth. Now give supporting edges along every other edge like how we did with the window. Come out of isolation. Click the cylinder. With this, we will make the door knob. Drag the cylinder out. Reduce the subdivisions. Rotate it accurately using the attribute editor. Click multi-cut tool. Click space. In the side view, make an edge loop in the middle. Click Edit Mesh option. Click Bevel. In the Bevel toolbox, adjust the values. Select all the middle faces along the Y-axis inside view. Go into perspective view. Now scale on the XY axis. Now drag select the center faces of the front and back side of the knob and delete it. Double-click the edge in front, hold Shift and scale to extrude the edges. Drag it out on the Z-axis with the Move tool. Again, extrude these edges twice. Select Edit Mesh. Merge to center. Select the centermost faces and drag it out on the Z-axis. Adjust the size of the knob if needed. Isolate the knob. Rotate the camera so that you see the back of the knob. Now extrude inward with Shift plus Scale. Click W and drag it out. Again, extrude inward with Shift plus Scale. Then extrude inside with Shift plus Move tool. Extrude again with Shift plus Scale. Move the edge inwards with Move tool. Now extrude outward with Shift plus Move tool. Select Multi-Cut and make a few supporting edges. Click 3 for smooth preview. Come out of isolation. Adjust the size. Now adjust the position of the knob. With this, we have reached the end of today's episode. Keep watching and keep practicing. Subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode of 3D for Everyone. Until next time, keep learning.